What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are talking all things blonde. I get so many questions about going blonde, how I take care of my blonde hair, how I went from extremely dark, almost black hair to being blonde and still maintaining the health as much as I possibly can. I'm gonna get into all of those details. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And if you enjoy hair videos, give this video a thumbs up. I also want to say a huge thank you to I Am Beauty Care for sponsoring a portion of today's video. So if you guys want to hear all of my best tips on how to maintain your blonde and try to have somewhat healthy hair even while bleaching, then definitely keep watching. All right, so today we are not playing around. I've got a lot of stuff to cover, so we are jumping right in. And first and foremost, I want to say, if you are someone that does not want to spend a lot of time on your hair, you don't want to take extra time to deep condition or do the extra things that you need to do to really maintain the health of your hair, then please do your hair a favor and just don't go down that road. Just don't bleach your hair. And no, you cannot bleach your hair without damaging it. Bleaching the hair absolutely permanently alters the structure and the integrity of the hair. It makes it much more fragile due to the lifting process. So your hair will be more damaged. It just is, because it's bleached. The goal with bleaching the hair is making sure that you are doing all the extra things to try to stop the breakage and damage while enjoying being blonde. I've implemented the next few steps that I'm going to talk about, and I feel like it's definitely helped me maintain the health of my hair. My hair is not ever going to be the same as it was when it was its natural color before bleaching, but I'm just someone that loves change. It was worth it to me to take the extra steps to try to maintain the integrity as much as possible and be able to enjoy going blonde and just, you know, changing things up. If you have dark hair naturally like I do not think that you are going to go platinum blonde in one sitting. Don't do it. Don't let a stylist do this to you. You need to do the process slowly over time, over the course of 3 to 6 months, and make the lifting process slow and steady. If you try to go from super dark hair to platinum blonde in one sitting, it is going to cause extensive damage to the hair, and it's gonna be damage that you probably won't be able to come back from. You know what I'm saying? Any bleaching session that you have, you need to have your stylist use the Olaplex system. This system is basically like insurance for your hair. When you're bleaching, it breaks down the bonds in the hair, and what this does, it helps to repair those bonds. It basically fights the effects that the bleach does to the hair. So this is something that you want to use every single time that you go into the salon and have your hair bleached. You need to tell them to use the Olaplex system with the bleach. Before I go in for my bleaching session, I like to clarify my hair. I like to make sure that there is zero product buildup on my scalp and on my hair, so that I know that there's nothing on my hair or scalp that's going to react with the bleach. What you want to do is use a shampoo that is specifically for clarifying the hair, or you can just use a cleanser that has a sulfate in it that will help to get rid of any product buildup. And that is where these products come in. This product line is actually pronounced I Am, but you're going to hear me actually spell it out in the next few clips because I wasn't exactly sure how to pronounce it when I first filmed. The AYAM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals Original line. I've been using the shampoo and cleanser from this line for a couple of months now, and I absolutely love them. Now, the shampoo does have sulfate, so it does help to get rid of any buildup, any product buildup on the scalp or on the hair, to get it prepped for the bleaching process, but it is not stripping. I find that my hair is still very moisturized when I use this. It does not strip my hair or leave it feeling like super squeaky clean, and the conditioner is silicone free. I've always had a love of Dead Sea mineral products because the Dead Sea has a very high concentration of minerals that are known to support both skin and hair health. Some of those minerals that are found in the Dead Sea are calcium, iodine, magnesium, zinc, potassium, If you have a second to pause the video here and read through this information, I think you will find it very, very interesting and intriguing. This is why I love products with Dead Sea minerals. And I've also been using this right here. This is the body lotion from the original line, and I love it. All of these products smell incredible. They have this light, just amazing scent to them. This line is used to smooth and hydrate the hair, so I really love this. And you can do research on these minerals and all of the benefits that they have. It's honestly very, very intriguing, and they are affordable. All the products are $13, which is really great. I mean, that's basically drugstore prices these days. Back to the topic of Olaplex. Now, of course, when you're in the salon, you want to do the in-salon treatment with your bleaching sessions. But when you come home, use the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3 at home in between your bleaching sessions. Again, it's a bond building product. This is not like a deep conditioner or anything like that. Literally, whenever I use this, definitely makes my curl pattern come back to life. It's just fantastic. I absolutely love it. It makes my hair feel so soft. Basically kind of just restores it back to its former glory. This is a product that hands down I would recommend to anyone who is trying to bleach their hair. The next thing that I want to cover with bleaching is that it does cause the hair to become extremely dry. What you need to do is you need to take the time to deep condition regularly. Not every other week, not once a month. You need to do it every single week. You really want to have a balance of protein and moisture. What I like to do is alternate. I'll do a protein treatment one week and then a moisturizing hair mask the next week. These are just two that I really, really love. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate plus Repair Protein Treatment. This is like my all-time favorite protein mask. And then this one is another really affordable option for a hair mask. This is the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. So this one is really amazing at giving the hair moisture. This one helps to give the hair protein. Having a balance of these will make your hair very, very happy and look really great. If you're deep conditioning on a weekly basis, which you should be, I highly recommend getting a thermal cap for even deeper hydration. Having a thermal cap will really help your deep conditioning treatments or your protein treatments penetrate even deeper into the hair cuticles. You pop it in the microwave for 45 seconds on one side, 45 seconds on the other. You pop it on once you have your deep conditioning treatment on. The heat in it really helps to open up the hair cuticle and allows that treatment to really get in there and work even harder. So this is from Hothead. This is my thermal cap. I actually have two of them. One is leopard and one is zebra. These are the best. And I will have one of these included in my 100,000 subscriber giveaway that's coming very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. Something else that you hear a lot of buzz about when it comes to blonde or bleached hair is purple shampoo. Blondes will just naturally become a little bit brassy over time. So what a purple shampoo does is it helps to remove the yellow tones, the brassy tones from the hair, and leaves a brighter, more ashy tone, blonde look to the hair. While doing a purple shampoo can be amazing, it is possible to overuse it. And if you overuse a purple shampoo or do it too soon after bleaching, you can actually alter the color of the blonde in your hair. Bleaching really makes our hair very porous and absorbent. So what you really want to do is wait about 2 weeks after any bleaching session before using a purple shampoo. This is the one that I have just fallen in love with. It's amazing. It's very potent. You don't have to leave it on very long at all. This is by Be Unique, and I actually have this in my Amazon store, which is linked in the description box below. This is a sulfate-free purple shampoo. You only need to leave it on for like 2 minutes max, 2 to 3 minutes if you want to really, really lift the brassiness. But I find that leaving it on like 1 to 2 minutes is enough for me. I love, love, love this purple shampoo. My next tip would be to always use a heat protectant on the hair, because bleaching does make the hair way more fragile and way more susceptible to breakage. You really want to protect it from heat as much as you possibly can. I just talked about a natural heat protectant in my last video all about hair oils. Grapeseed oil is a very amazing natural heat protectant, but I really love this. This is from Eva NYC. This is the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It does all sorts of things, detangles and all of that. but it also has UV heat protection in it. So I love using this as kind of a prep. As soon as I get out the shower, before I style, I'll spray this through, detangle the hair, and I'm good to go. Something else to really help protect against heat is if you are able to allow your hair to air dry, then of course that's gonna help you protect against heat. If you diffuse like me, then try to let your hair air dry till about 80% dry, and then use your diffuser. That way you're not diffusing as long, and that's gonna help minimize heat damage as well. Another tip that'll help the hair to look healthier is when you do bleach your hair, get a trim right away. Get a trim immediately after bleaching, because the ends of your hair are always going to be the most damaged, and the ends of the hair are more likely to start to unravel. If you get them trimmed, it's going to keep the hair looking a lot healthier, a lot thicker at the bottom. Please do not look at my hair, because I've not had a trim, honestly, since the last time that I cut my hair. I did a video on my channel. I cut my own hair at home, and it was probably, I don't even know, maybe in January. I cannot wait to get this hair shaped up like nobody's business. Another good tip is to really be mindful of pulling your hair back super tight, doing a lot of ponytails, slicking the hair back. If you're bleaching, it's going to be more fragile, more susceptible to breaking and all of that. Try to wear your hair, you know, in looser styles, styles that don't require a lot of pulling or manipulation. And that brings me to my last tip, which is using silk scrunchies if you are going to be styling your hair. Just using silk everything. Sleeping with a silk pillowcase, sleeping in a silk bonnet, using silk or satin scrunchies. Using silk or satin products is going to help protect your hair against breakage. You know, they just feel good. I'm sorry, but I love my silk bonnet. I love my silk scrunchies. I love my silk pillowcases. I can't live without them. They just feel so nice. And there you have it, you guys. That is it for all of my tips and tricks on maintaining blonde hair and things that will just help make this whole journey of going blonde a little bit easier for you. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to leave your video suggestions in the comments below. I love to hear what you guys want to see from me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.